I was praying that the Lord would give me an opportunity so I could get excited about life.
Answered prayer.
Sabi ko, oo, dahil ako may pangarap.
If you build right yung business, meron kang ongoing income.
A business opportunity secure your future.
In terms of attitude and mindset.
My goal is still to become a full-time mom. And I was able to do that because I can give time.
Nabigyan namin ng magandang future yung mga anak namin.
So the more na tumagal ako sa business, the more na na-appreciate ko siya.
For me, it allowed me to visualize and to create that vision into a reality.
At that time, I only wanted an extra 2,000 pesos.
We were able to help a lot of people.
To help us grow to a better person.
To celebrate success and encourage each other.
It has given us those dreams of education, food.
As you journey building the business and achieving, wow.
You're happy, and if you really enjoy what you're doing, you don't want to retire actually.
If you put your hands and commitment into it, then it will move forward.
101% positive. Just give this business a chance because you don't know the opportunity that you have in your hand.
Just get in the water because you cannot say no to something that you have not had any experience.
Pigilan lang, hindi pumat, abot yung last. Talagang hindi dapat tumukok sa laban.
Ay, tayo!
Sabi dito, there are people who have time, lots of time, but no money. Or konti lang yung money. And there are also people who have lots of money, but no time. So as for us naman, when we were shown this opportunity or this business project, we had money, but we had no time. Hindi naman ganun kadami yung money, but we had money. We were living a comfortable life, but we wanted more time with our kids, with our 3 sons. So, ang maganda dito is this business project can afford us to have a balance of time and money. So, do you like that? So, here are some of the possibilities that may happen to us 2 to 3 years from now if we will do this business project. So, travel the world. So, I can attest to that because as you have seen from the video, the introduction video, most of those travels, the international or all of those travels that you have seen in the video are care of this business. So, ito yung nagpadala sa amin doon sa Dubai, sa San Francisco, sa Korea, no, on a cruise ship. So, madami siyang. So, check yan. No? If you want to travel the world, then maybe you might want this project. Or do you want to retire from job? There is a couple in Zamboanga, doctor sila. The husband is a surgeon. The wife is an anesthesiologist. And then, because of this business project, it has afforded the wife to retire from her being an anesthesiologist. So, now she's a full-time mom and she is very, very happy educating her kids with yung ano sila, yung study at home, no? Homeschool. So, gusto nyo ba yan? If you want that, then I enjoin you or I suggest that you will have to finish this presentation. So personal development naman is, as you can see, hindi ako magaling na speaker, no? But little by little, in this business project, we can learn to develop ourselves. we can learn how to talk in front of people, and we can also learn how to yang make ourselves better or improve ourselves. And then earn extra income, yes, check yan. It depends on how much you want, no? How much do you want? Do you want just 10,000 extra? Do you want just 5,000 or do you want more? So we will talk about that earning extra income later. Financial freedom naman is, syempre, this is what we all want. And as for us, we have seen this, that this is really proven true in our mentors, no? So check din yan sa kanila. So that is our future, and a balance of lifestyle, no? Balance of time and money. That is what my husband and I want. So what is this business all about? So if you put up a business, diba? If you tell somebody, oh, tara, gawa tayo ng business, or I want you to join me in my business. Talagang syempre ang unang I don't have money. Ganun talaga ang sasabihin nila. No, I'm sorry, but I don't have extra money to put up a business. But this business entails no large capital. So we will talk about how much, no, later. And then all of the products are 100 days money back guarantee. Para kang may tindahan ka na pwede mong isauli yung mga hindi nabenta doon sa iyong supplier. So parang ganon, kung meron kang traditional na store. And then, the good thing is, we are looking really for people who are busy. Why? Because busy people are people who are hardworking. And if they are hardworking, kayang-kaya nila na in their vacant hours, 2 to 3 hours a day, they can do this business. Because this business, you can do it anywhere. If you will understand the system on how you will go about this type of business project, then you can do it anywhere, anytime, with anyone. And where do we get our money from this business? It's because we will eliminate the middleman. So, ganito kasi yan. So, in a traditional distribution of products, there is a manufacturer, and the products, the wholesaler will get the products from the manufacturer, but you cannot buy one product from the wholesaler. You have to buy it through a retailer, which ang retailer naman will get it from the wholesaler. So during the process, may additional na mga add-on sa price ng product. So for example, this ball pen costs 10 pesos. From the manufacturer, it just costs 4 pesos. Tapos the wholesaler, syempre may truck siya, meron pa siyang storage, then magpapatong siya ng 30%. So, it's 7 pesos. But you cannot buy just one ball pen from the wholesaler. So, it has to go to a retailer na magpapatong na naman ng 30%. So, 10 pesos na pagbili natin. So, every time we buy, the wholesaler, the retailer, and the manufacturer earns income. But we just get the product. So we will disrupt that kind of distribution. So i-disrupt natin yan. So what happens is that we can join an association. It's an association of consumers that will have access directly to the manufacturer. So what happens is we save 30% already. And then we can have home delivery. All products are satisfaction guarantee, and we earn rebates. So gusto nyo ba yan? Na direkta na tayo sa manufacturer. Okay ba yan? Di ba? Okay. Okay na okay. So what will we do? So first, yun, we will have to do the 3 SSS, no? The 3 S's. So SSS, shop, sell, and share. So when we shop, of course, it's a no-brainer. Why? Because our company has 200 plus products here in the Philippines. So from head to toe, we are using the products. From every day, upon waking up, we brush our teeth. So ang gusto lang ng company is we change our brands. No, we change our brand of the products that we use to become exclusive Amway users, no? The lifestyle products of Amway. So, in the process, we save the 25 to 30%. And then for every about 55 to 60 pesos, we earn 1 point. So, that will accumulate so that we can have rebates. Or kung dito natay sinukian, no? Merong babalik sa atin when we consume, which does not happen in other stores. And then, of course, the good thing is we have 100 days money back satisfaction guarantee. Tapos, free delivery pa. If you buy worth 2,000 worth of products, then within 40 kilometer radius, it will be delivered to you. Pwede COD. And for those in provincial areas, 4,000 naman ang free delivery. So that is when you shop. And then, because you have products, since this is a business, then we can sell. So we earn from the marketing of our exclusive brands. You see, dyan pa lang, parang maano ka na ng, wow, I can have a business na exclusive sa akin lang mabibili. And because we get the product at 25 to 30% discount, then our profit will be 25 to 30% also. So example, if you bought, since this is a business, then if you bought 10,000 worth of products so that you can sell and use some of them, or if you want to sell the 10,000 worth of products that you bought, then the 30% of that is 3,000 pesos. So, okay na ba yan? 3,000 pesos earning. I think it's okay, no? Because in the sari-sari store, parang ilan lang man percent ang patong ng sari-sari. Dito sa atin, hindi tayo gumawa ng tindahan, hindi tayo nag-put up ng tindahan, and we earn 30%. So, I think it's good. It's good. It's a good business. So, but if we just use and sell the products, I don't think we can build a very big business. No? So that's why we need to share. We need to become the brand ambassador. And also, we earn from those referrals yung mga tao na ayaw namang sumali sa atin. So we can ask referrals from them. So our bonuses will range from 3 to 21%. And then, if we help somebody reach that same bonus, that 21% bonus level, then we can develop an ongoing monthly income of 6%, which is willable. We will talk about that later. And of course, ito ang pinakagusto namin ni husband. Kasi, if we will do this, then we can have luxurious vacation yearly because there are free of charge travels in style, local and international. So, na-awaken ko na ba yung dreams ninyo na parang nagbumuni-muni na ba kayo ngayon kung wow, what will happen? I will just change brand, I will just sell some, and I will just tell others, and then I can go to places, to luxurious places, di ba? So, yun ang maganda dito. So, here is the bonus table. Here is our rebates table. So, as you can see, 7 levels yan. 3, 6, 9, 12. So, increments of 3 up to 21%. So, I cannot fully explain that to you because it will take lots of time, but that will entail of accumulating points from 200 points up to 10,000 points. So as I've said, 1 point is ano siya, 55 to 60 pesos. So accumulation of points yan in a month. So when you reach 21%, when you reach the 21% bonus, performance bonus, then you are called silver producer. Ang kita mo niyan will range, now it will range from about, depende, its range is from 40 to 70,000. So if you maintain that for 3 months, you are a gold producer. So the minimum nga is 40,000, but the maximum is 70,000 or more, and you will receive that for 3 months because you have maintained that level of performance.